Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove a credit card from Amazon. This is a useful skill to have, especially if you're switching payment methods or simply want to keep your account secure by removing old cards you no longer use. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. This will take you directly into your Amazon account where you can manage all your settings and preferences. After you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option that says Account and Lists. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account. This brings you to the main hub where you can control various aspects of your Amazon account, from orders to payment settings. Next, click on your payments. This section is where Amazon stores all your payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and any other forms of payment you've added over time. It's essentially your payment wallet within the platform. Now, I should mention that I don't currently have any credit cards saved in my account, but I'll walk you through the next steps so you know exactly what to do when you see your saved cards. Once you're in the Your Payments section, you'll see a list of all the payment methods you've added to your account. Find the credit card you want to remove and click on it. This will open up the details for that specific card, giving you access to manage or modify it. After clicking on the card, look for the Edit button and click it. This opens the editing interface where you can make changes to the payment method or remove it entirely from your account. In the Edit Payment Method screen, you'll see an option that says Remove from Wallet. Go ahead and click on that. This action prompts Amazon to prepare the card for removal, but you'll need to confirm your decision before it's finalized. Finally, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove this card. Click Remove to confirm. Once you do that, the credit card will be permanently deleted from your Amazon account, and you won't be able to use it for future purchases unless you add it back again. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a credit card from your Amazon account, keeping your payment information clean and up to date. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.